In this video of Let's Talk Math, we're gonna learn about exponents. So, we need to solve 2 to the power of 1. But whenever you have a number with an exponent of 1, to solve that, all you need to do is just take out the 1 and just the exponent and just leave the base number, in this case 2. So 2 to the power of 1 equals 2. 4 to the power of 1 equals 4. S to the power of 1, well, since we know it'll equal the same thing, but we don't know what S equals, we can just put it as S. Next is that when you have an exponent of 0, it'll always equal 1, no matter how big the number is. So 7 to the power of 0 also equals 1, and x to the power of 0. Well, even if we don't know what x equals, we know x to the power of 0 equals 1. Next is when you have negative numbers with exponents, you think these two numbers would equal the same thing, but they do not. Because it doesn't equal the same thing because of where the negative symbol is placed. In this one, the negative symbol is placed outside the parentheses, while in this one it is inside. So I'm going to solve both of these, and I'll show you the different ways to solve it when it is there. So let's do this one first. So to solve it, it would be negative version of 3 times 3. Now for this one, since the negative sign is in the parentheses, it would be negative 3 times negative 3. Next is when you are multiplying two numbers with exponents by each other, and the base number is the same. One way to solve it is you have the base number the same and just add the exponents together to make the final exponent. It is basically the same thing when dividing, except instead of adding, you subtract the divisor from the number you are dividing. Last is if you have a number, the base number and exponents in parentheses, and another exponent outside parentheses. To solve this, what you would do is you leave the base number the same and just multiply the exponents together to make the final exponent. Last is if you have a negative exponent, this would become a denominator and the numerator would be 1. And to solve the denominator, it would be the positive version, in this case 2. So it would be 1 over 3 to the power of 2, and 3 to the power over 2 is 3 times 2, which equals 9. So that would be 1 over 9. So now that we know this, let's solve this problem. So we need to solve 4 to the power of 4 divided by 4 to the power of 2 times negative 3 to the power of 0 over 2 to the power of 2 to the power of 2. Now first, let's solve 4 to the power of 4 divided by 4 to the power of 2. To solve this, what we're going to do is we're going to use what we learned earlier. So the base number is the same, so we're going to subtract this from this, so 4 minus 2 equals 2. So we need to solve what 4 to the power of 2 is, which is 16. So let's get this out and replace it with 16. Next, negative 3 to the power of 0. Well, as I said, all numbers would equal to 0, even if negative, so that is 1. And 2 to the power of 2 to the power of 2, well, 2 times 2 equals 4. And 2 to the power of 4 is 16. And 16 times 1 equals 16, so let's get that and move this to the middle, and 16 over 16 equals 1. Now that we've solved this problem, that is all for this video. So make sure you put in the comments below what else you'd like to learn. Like this video. I'll also be posting more videos with exponents, so make sure you subscribe to my channel and check my other videos out. Bye!